A lead magnet is what is it? A lead magnet is an incredibly powerful tool that you can use in your business in order to generate online sales and grow your mailing list. This can be incredibly simple, fast, and easy to set up, but so extremely effective. I'm gonna show you in less than 5 minutes the exact step-by-step process that you need to know in order to get this up and running. And the software that I'm gonna show you in this video, you can use for 30 days for free if you use the link in the video description down below. First, we need to understand exactly what a lead magnet is and why it is so important. A popular marketing strategy is what's known as a sales funnel. In a sales funnel, we start with a wide sea of potential customers. These potential customers then must be guided through what's known as a sales funnel, which will convert them from leads into sales. But in order to draw this sea of potential customers into your funnel, you need what is known as a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something that attracts those potential customers to you and allows them to join a mailing list by providing you with their email address in exchange for something free that they want, such as a digital guide, a digital download, a template, a webinar, or other valuable pieces of free content. Once they have given you their email address, then you can subscribe them to your email list and begin to send them out additional information and value. Once that additional information and value is sent over your email list, it builds trust between you and your mailing list, which then primes them to receive sales pitches from you. Of those customers that do want to make purchases from you, many of those potential customers will also be willing to purchase even more from you. And if you pitch them an upsell option, then that will result in even more sales. Now, the first step is going to be to create your lead magnet in Canva. Canva is incredibly easy to use and it is free. You do not need to upgrade to a paid account. You simply need to create a simple PDF, a guide, a template that your target client will want to download for free. Go to canva.com, create a free account, and then look up a template for whatever type of document you want to create. Most likely there is already a beautiful template waiting for you to customize. Now, when it comes time to customizing things, Canva is really easy to use. You can choose stock photos. You can edit text, embed links, and do a variety of other features. Once you have completed the process, then you're going to download it as a PDF in the right-hand corner. The next step is going to be to create a funnel utilizing this lead magnet, the PDF that you just created, in an automated funnel through a software called KAJABI. Once logged into KAJABI, under the marketing section, you're going to click on funnels and then click add funnel. Next, KAJABI is going to populate your funnel for you. You're going to be prompted to create and customize this landing page where potential customers can enter in their information in order to obtain your freebie. Next, you're going to upload the specific freebie, the PDF file that you have created, so that it's there and able to be automatically downloaded. Next, customize the page where your customers will enter in their information in order to access the download. Next, you'll be prompted to edit the email sequence. You can add any other attachments or links to additional downloads here and customize it however you would like. Next, customize the thank you page that they will see after they enter in their email address. Here, there will be a direct link to download the digital product instantly. And that is it. It is super simple, super fast, and super easy. And once this is set up in KAJABI, everything is going to then run automatically. But the next thing that you need to worry about is exactly how to drive traffic to this specific opt-in, which is why you need to click this next video that is popping up on screen and learn my tips on exactly how to drive more traffic to your lead magnets.
What is a sales funnel?
What is a sales funnel? Hold on. What did you ask me?
What is a sales funnel?
Oh, a sales funnel is where you have a whole bunch of people and those people have money, right? And those people have a problem or a need. And sometimes you make a product you want to sell to those people. So then you create something that they want for free, and you give it to them for free, and then they start to trust you, and then you get their email address, and then you give them more free stuff, and then you try to sell them your product. And now because they trust you, they buy it. And then sometimes you say, but what if I sell you more stuff? And they say, okay. And then all these people walking around out here now become your customers.
Mm-hmm.
That is a sales funnel. You want some pants?
Yeah.
Okay.